Oh, Andrew, that one's on us. We forgot to mention that Dreamdata isn't a coffee house on our website, so I totally get why you're confused. But the good news is that we're pretty good at some other stuff, like brewing up a sweet data mix for some badass B2B marketing analytics. That's where our expertise truly comes through. We simplify your B2B go-to-market data and show you exactly what's working and what isn't. But I also see that you agree with that, except for the coffee, of course. Although, Andrew, next time you're in Copenhagen, you can drop by our office and you can have a taste of the brew. Well, as an attribution platform, making sure we give you the down and dirty on every touch by every user on every journey is kind of the point. We have so many useful data insights across so many levels of analysis. Of course, if you're not looking for unprecedented insights, then perhaps you want to check out some of our competitors. But jokes aside, we hear you loud and clear, and we're constantly working on enhancing the user experience and making our UI more user-friendly. In fact, it's one of our product team's top priorities, isn't it, Steen?
Yes, it is.
And while we can't Marie Kondo the whole thing in an instant, here are two things that can help you in the meantime. Firstly, all our dashboards have supporting documentation on how to get the best out of them. We also have a recipes page on the site with use cases, so please make sure to take a look at these and see if that helps. And second, if you're still stuck, you can always reach out on our Slack community. Or if you're really stuck, please just reach out directly to our customer support team. They're awesome and will definitely make things easier for you. We really thought we had a slam dunk with our over 20 integrations of the most prominent tools on the B2B go-to-market tech stack. What ERP do you use? Just kidding. That's annoying. And we totally understand that the standard integrations Dreamdata offers are sometimes not enough to cover every single tech stack. But here's the scoop. When there is enough demand for a particular integrations, we do build it. All you've got to do is contact your customer success manager and let them know.